I'm Matt Bouchard with REIT.com here in Boca Raton, Florida for REITWise 2014. Joining me is DJ Belock, Senior Vice President with Phillips Edison Company. DJ, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Now, your company's REIT, Phillips Edison-ARC Shopping Center REIT, has acquired 15 centers already in 2014. Can you tell us a little bit about what type of criteria it is that you look for in potential acquisitions, and if there's specific markets that are more attractive than others now?
Our acquisitions team, we have an in-house team, and they're pounding the pavement all around the country, finding great opportunities. So in terms of the specific markets, it's great demographics, employment diversity, population growth. We actually tend to focus outside of the top 25 markets. We're finding that there is similar rent growth, if not better, in some of those markets, and we feel like we can buy at a higher yield than if we were trying to buy in the top 25 markets. So we feel like it's better returns. In terms of the specific acquisitions, we're focused on buying the dominant grocer in the market. We want to have a portfolio that's diversified by geography, by grocer, by tenants, laddered lease maturities, things like that. Obviously, strong credit throughout our tenant base. So,
now, obviously, as the company makes more and more acquisitions, it raises the profile, and I would imagine that must make investors start to ask questions about a possible liquidity event.
Sure.
What can you tell us about a possible event and its possible timing?
Our plan from the beginning has been to achieve liquidity for our shareholders as soon as it makes sense to. We want to create value for our shareholders, and so at the soonest moment that we can do that, that's what we'll try to do.
And last question, how have regulations changed the state of play in the public non-listed REIT space?
Yeah, we welcome the regulations. We think that they provide a lot more transparency, and frankly, we've been working to be transparent to our existing investors in some of our private closed-end funds, and that's why we partnered with ARC. We feel like they've been a leader in best practices and transparency in the non-traded REIT space.
DJ, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
For more on this and other REIT news and analysis, be sure to visit REIT.com.